The Davian Waltz. We start this dance in shadow hold, and we're going to start with a 3-step zigzag with a low aerial to the right and to the left. And it's 1, 2, 3 with the low aerial, and the other side with the low aerial. Now we break hold and we both can do a solo reverse turn, waltz turn, and it's 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, taking up our shadow hold into 2-step and points. That's the first half of the dance. Now carrying on from there, the lady's going to do an outward turn. We'll just show you that as the lady does it first. It's 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, as the man steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, take up double hold. Now we're going to do a pas de valse and balance, man rearward, lady forward. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. Now we drop our forward hands as the lady has a waltz turn under the man's raised right arm. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, and we take up waltz hold, do 1 bar of waltzing. Now the lady has to do a ronde to finish so that she can start on her left foot the next sequence. So it goes 1, 2, 3, lady does a ronde, and we finish in shadow hold. Show the whole 16 bars together. And it's 1, 2, 3 with a low aerial, and again, solo outward turn, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, step and point. Step and point, lady turns out. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, pas de valse, and close, lady turn under. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, waltz. Ready to start from the sequence again. Show you that to music now.